Today the weather is much better. I think it's about 19 degrees. You can see some sun over there. Just arrived at Cedarvale Retreat Centre, and this is my room number 7. It's a good number, and the bed looks nice so far. And let's explore a little bit. The Bible here, water. Put anything in here. Oh, now I'm seeing myself because of the mirror. And then we have this here. This is mine, and this is for wearing when doing the massage. And a chair there. I'm told that this is my ensuite. Let's see what's here. Which side is the light? Let there be light. Okay. Nice clean showers, and I like showers. Nice clean sink, and nice toilets there. Okay.
When he tells you pause, you have to pause.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And Jenny, you have agreed to go on the World Wide Web. So don't complain if you see yourself on the World Wide
No,
Web.
I'm not complaining.
Maybe your
Yes.
Can you repeat the little yes, please? Can you just repeat that?
So
The World Wide Web, please.
when you cut onions,
Yes.
You cough.
yes, I cough. There is a chemical here in onion that is attracted to water, and the nearest is your eye. So when you wet a piece of wet paper towel, it goes nearer to there. You end up not crying. I have tried various methods. I've used cling wrap, put it all across my face. I've used swimming goggles. It all does not work. Okay? Because somehow the chemical finds its way in, and I'm crying in there while trying to cook. And I look ridiculous with swimming goggles. So this is the one that my head chef taught me. Okay, so we're gonna do first.
Okay, you have agreed you go on the World Wide Web then.
So I've already heated the oven for you. And okay, so what we're gonna do is
Now we're cooking. Sylvia would be happy. Oh, is that hot?
yes, that is hot.
That's Jenny's fault.
Jenny, you should have turned it off.
Then you do the dishes,
And you roll it, and it is done.
and we are putting it on World Wide Web, so I can't go and
Would you like to, Joe?
I just don't want to be filmed and put on the board.
Now I put this for you here because onion loves your eyes, and it will make you cry. Okay? So in order to cut onions, here. And I'm going to be teaching you some knife skills as well, okay? So here, come. Cut the two in
Oh, before you.
before we bake
easier
it,
to break.
and it makes it easier to break. And that's pretty much it. And then the bananas will all be blended in and mixed in. Quick oats,
No,
rolled oats.
Roll those.
Okay? Get another bowl to put this in, sorry.
All right, Christoph, you have agreed to go on the World Wide Web now. So no excuse.
There you go.
So I put this thing in?
Yep, we'll cut it and put it in. You don't want just a whole. Omega-6 is higher. You can get omega-6 from other foods as well.
Oh, where's the thing?
Okay, so you can break it into 2 lots,
Yeah.
and then you put 1 lot here, and then we're going to roll it up.
Do you think it's mixed enough?
Yeah. Okay.
So this one, what is?
And you just cover
what's
it
this
like that.
recipe about?
Wheat bix.
And then you just roll. Using a rolling pin, I'll give you another rolling pin. Just roll it up flat. Try not to be too thick. It's roughly about halfway.
Or before you...
Before we bake
easier
it,
to break.
and it makes it easier to break. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you have agreed you go on the World Wide Web then.
So I've already heated the oven for you. And okay, so what we're gonna do, okay,
Yeah, thank you. That'll almost reach, yeah.
Okay, now we're going to see who is going to be the first one to finish. Mind you, you are on television. World Wide
okay, just roll it
television.
in different directions. It doesn't have to be, yeah. And then all you have to do after it's half a centimeter, bake it at 200 degrees, 15 minutes, 20 minutes max, you're done. And I know that if you can slice a paper cleanly without,
Smooth. All fresh, yeah.
let me get you a,
Christophe, you are going on the World Wide Web as a headless person.
Very good.
That's big mess.
We're putting him on.
so now you will see him cry over his food.
Oh, yes, yes,
If he's
right.
passionate enough.
Did you put the wet thing?
Not really, it's inside. But you don't want to be eating it as part of your muesli.
Oh, I see.
It's like very creamy.
Yes. Okay, that's it.
Today the weather is good. I think they said 19 degrees, so you can see some sun. We're going to do some exercises.
Okay. Yes, we're ready.
No, not all. Not all.
Let the hot water cool down.
Garlic.
Scull it. Don't chew the garlic. Your runny nose stops.
Can you repeat that again, please?
So, if you have runny nose,
Yes.
okay, the best way to boost your immune system is garlic. Smash it, chop it as fine as possible, steep it in a glass about that much water, a little bit, okay? Try not to get the old garlic. Old garlic is spicy on the stomach. Young garlic is good.
How do you know which one?
The older it is, the drier it is, it has how would I say, it has something growing out. The sprout is starting to grow out. That's an old garlic. It's spicy. So you let it with hot water. Careful, don't burn your hands. We'll get you your... You want to touch this one? The garlic? Yep, smash it and then cut it. Small. Yeah, the fiber is inside. But you don't want to be eating it as part of your muesli.
Oh, I see.
It's like very creamy.
Yes. Okay? That's it. Easy. I found that. And I asked the question why. And when I started to go off dairy free, I said, man, I miss cheese. So this is one of them that I do. And if you use this same recipe and you add some agar, I have actually made it here where it becomes a sliced block. You can actually put it on your bread, toast the bread, and it's beautiful. Okay, you put it on. Sorry, let me just open this and then.
Today the weather is good. I think they said 19 degrees, so you can see some sun. We're going to do some exercises.
Okay. Yes, we're ready.
No, not all. Not all.
Not all.
The weather is much better. I think it's about 19 degrees. You can see some sun over there. The weather is much better. I think it's about 19 degrees. You can see some sun over there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like this video by clicking the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have never subscribed to it. And please expect to watch some other lovely videos coming your way from Australia and Zambia. And may the good Lord continue to bless every area of your life today. Bye for now.